Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like giving brains to computers. Just like humans, AI helps computers to think, learn, and solve problems. It's all about making computers smart. Understanding AI. Imagine you have a pet dog. When you teach your dog to sit or fetch, it learns from your instructions and experiences. Similarly, AI teaches computers to do tasks by learning from data and examples. Key concepts: machine learning. It's like teaching a computer to recognize patterns. For example, if you show it lots of pictures of cats and dogs, it learns to tell the difference. Neural networks. Think of it as a computer brain with many small parts, neurons, working together. They help computers understand things like images, sounds, and languages. Natural language processing, NLP. This is about teaching computers to understand and speak human languages, just like how your phone understands your voice commands. Computer vision. This is like giving eyes to computers. They can see and understand images and videos, like recognizing faces or objects. Practical applications of AI. Smart assistants. You've probably heard of Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. They use AI to understand your questions and help you with tasks like setting reminders or playing music. Recommendation systems. Have you ever seen movie recommendations on Netflix or product suggestions on Amazon? AI analyzes your preferences and suggests things you might like. Healthcare. AI helps doctors analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs to diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. It can also predict health risks and recommend personalized treatments. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars use AI to understand their surroundings and make decisions on the road, like staying in lanes and avoiding obstacles. Fraud detection. Banks and credit card companies use AI to spot unusual patterns in transactions and detect fraudulent activities, helping protect your money. Language translation. Ever used Google Translate? It's powered by AI. It helps translate text or speech from one language to another. Gaming. AI is used in video games to create intelligent opponents that adapt to your gameplay, making the experience more challenging and fun. Smartphones. Your phone's camera uses AI to improve photo quality by adjusting settings like brightness and focus automatically. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is all about making computers smart and helping them do tasks that were once only possible for humans. From understanding languages to driving cars, AI is changing the way we live and work, making our lives easier and more efficient. As AI continues to advance, we can expect even more exciting applications that will shape the future of technology.